Hello everyone and welcome to Appify Tech. Do you want to connect more with international customers? Then a multi-currency converter is one of the most important apps you should add at your store. An app like this allows your international customers to see item prices in their regional currency from your store, or they can select the currency they want to see. Let's find out how to install this app. First, you have to log in. Then we search for the currency converter in the App Store. Out of all the apps, we'll go with Nova Multi-Currency Converter. We add this app, then we click Install. The app is not yet operational. To use it, we have to complete the instructions on the right side. Step 1 was installing the app, so we'll hit Complete. In Step 2, we can see two snippets, HTML with currency and HTML without currency. We need to copy the snippets to change the currency format. So we'll go to the store currency settings, and if we scroll down a little bit, we see the change formatting. Here you'll find boxes where we need to paste the snippets. Now we just simply copy and paste. Then we hit Complete Step 2. The app is ready to use, but we should customize it further. First, we will turn on the auto currency conversion. In currency preferences, you can show all the currencies or add the currency you want to show in your store. We will also add auto switch currency based on location. Then we design the currency bar. Here we have the options for showing flag with currency or just showing the currency. But for more transparency, we should always choose currency with flag. We will select a light background with a dark text. You can always select a color for your hovering or a shadow for the icon if you want. In the device settings, it's better to select both desktop and mobile. We can also select the position for the icons as well. We can round off pricing any way we desire. And you can leave a notification in the cart page. We will select a light background with a dark color. And with that, our store customization is complete. Now we can preview our store. Let's see the prices in our store. We can see Taka as I'm from Bangladesh. If your customer is from the United States, it is showing dollars. Then upon selection, the store will show the currency being converted into Canadian dollars. And that's how you can use the Nova Multi-Currency Converter app in your store. If you want similar contents, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.